Good morning. Oh my gosh, it's not even morning. What am I talking about? It is about 3 p.m. on Friday. So my sister and I have been shooting all day today. I needed to charge my phone, hence why I'm laying down on the bed and my phone is charging. So I'm going to edit those things. So we shot a swimsuit Saturday that I will link down below because it's already up. But also, oh my gosh, I guess the day that you're watching this, it's over too. But Chic Soul's doing a free swimsuit giveaway, free shipping and a free swimsuit. And so they sent the swimsuit over to me and then let me pick a couple other things. And I got the cutest mint green shorts and strawberry, like huge earrings. Those are still available, so I'll link those down below. But the cutest, like the way the earrings and the shorts just match. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I am going to edit a few things. Brian gets off early today. We're doing a date night tonight. So we're gonna go try a new place called Chuck's Fish, I'm pretty sure is what it's called downtown. So I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna get as much editing done as I can and then I'll get ready for dinner tonight. So I'll see you when we get ready or maybe when we're on the way. But also tomorrow is our anniversary, y'all. We've been married. Tomorrow will be 5 years. So tomorrow we do need to go to the hunting camp to cut some grass. So that will be our morning. But also maybe like tomorrow night we'll do something, I don't know, like something different, maybe go watch a movie or something like that. And then this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to go to the casino and just have a little mini like night away for our anniversary. So it should be a fun vlog. I hope that y'all enjoy it as always. So again, I'll see you when we head out. I don't know what I'm going to wear yet. I can't decide. So excuse me. I'll see you then. I need to get to work. Goodbye. The whole point of me starting this and saying hello was that I have some funny bloopers from the video with my sister, so I'll insert them here. You look like those Chucky dolls, like those crazy doll babies. Your warm-ups. Okay. And welcome back to the vlog. Bye. You be good, girl. I'll be back. All right, so we're headed out. I'm wearing the black Old Navy dress with the back cut out that the majority of people told me not to keep because you could see my back rolls. Joke's on you, I'm wearing it. Can I see your outfit? Woo-hoo!
See your eyes, not your hands.
Loving it, loving everything about it. Can you show them mine? The Old Navy dress. And then I just put a bralette on.
So, yeah.
I am. Okay, let's go.
And I'll be seeing you with my hands later.
Okay. Okay, so we opted for Poor Baby instead of Chuck's Fish because it's gonna pour down rain and we can't park close at Chuck's Fish. So canceled those reservations and we're gonna try Poor Baby. I've never been. I thought they only served wine, didn't you?
Yeah.
But they have food.
They have food.
So we're gonna go try that for dinner tonight. Good morning. Happy
Anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Okay, so we've been married 5 years today.
I'm just kidding.
All right, so first thing on the agenda, we're gonna talk about dinner last night. So we ended up going to Poor Baby, I told y'all. I loved it. I didn't even know they had food until we were looking just at random places we'd never been. I thought it was more of like a wine and cheese board type place, right?
Now we did see the cheese board. The cheese board is fine.
Like a charcuterie, like cheese board.
Yeah.
Okay, so we tried the fried green tomatoes.
Yep, excellent.
What's your rating out of 10? 10.
Probably a 10. Yeah,
I give it a 10.
They were excellent. The sauce, it was very creamy. Not the sauce, but just everything. It wasn't mushy. It wasn't real firm. It was just the way they cooked them. I don't know how they cooked them.
And it wasn't your typical, a lot of times with fried green tomatoes, they go the Cajun way.
Yeah.
With like Kaneka sausage or crawfish tails or like that kind of like Cajun seasoning spices. And it wasn't like that. And they were so good.
Yeah. And they had some large shrimp on top. There was probably 3 or 4. I mean, they were big.
Mm-hmm.
They were big shrimp.
And then we each got a Caesar salad. That was pretty good.
That was good.
They ground some pepper on it for us. And then we both got the beef tenderloin, which was a pretty big piece of meat.
Yeah.
And it came on top of mashed potatoes, and then there was asparagus, and then on the top we added, what do they call it?
We got Oscar, which is like a crab,
lump crab saucy
sauce. Yeah.
But I thought it was nice, like the plate wasn't very big because they stack everything.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like a cool. Okay, what's your rating on the salad out of 10?
Salad was a good salad. I mean, it was a Caesar salad. I would probably say, as far as Caesar salads goes, I would probably say an 8, 9 maybe. It had what I do like is the Parmesan cheese that they put was like flaked, not like just like a bag, like they opened up a bag of
it wasn't shredded.
Shrimpled it.
Shrimpled it? They shrimpled it.
Drizzled it on there.
Yeah.
Anything, it looked like they actually shaved cheese onto the salad. Not super wet dressing or anything like that. Good. Looked like house-made croutons.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
like from
all
bread.
that stuff makes a difference. It's the little things you don't think about. It's like the croutons. Like everyone thinks about them. But when they're house-made or, and good, they make a difference. So that was.
And then your beef tenderloin.
Mine was. We ordered them medium.
Well.
I think they really were more medium. Maybe medium rare when they came out, but
maybe she misheard us.
Maybe. Yeah,
because mine wasn't cooked enough.
Yeah.
But I ate around that part. Like it doesn't gross me out. I just don't prefer it that way. But by the time I got to like that part, I was so full anyways. I was like, it's fine.
Flavor wise though, they were off the chain.
Yeah.
They were good.
Oh, and then we got dessert.
Oh yeah, we did.
I got a Kentucky bourbon pecan pie. It's pecan pie, also had chocolate chips in it with vanilla ice cream, 10 out of 10. And I
got the triple chocolate mousse cake on top of a raspberry sauce, and it was very rich, and I think the bottom was more like a brownie, and then the middle was like a regular milk chocolate mousse, and then the top was a dark chocolate like ganache, like how they make that, and then it sets up. It was really good, very rich, but very good.
Okay, what's your rating? My arm's getting tired.
I'd probably say that was about a 7, realistically.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's our recap. We're going to continue on today, do some running around, and then tomorrow we're going to go stay away for our anniversary. We just dropped cash off.
Yep.
Where she's going to stay while we're gone. Someone else takes care of Layla. So I'll probably see y'all tomorrow once we head out. Today we're just going to hang out and enjoy each other's company. Anything else you want to say?
I don't think so.
You done?
I think so. Best wife ever.
Okay, bye. Goodbye.
All I wanna
Hello. Happy Wednesday. It is 5:21 p.m. I need to put my hair up all the way. Okay, anniversary trip. That's the last thing you saw. We had such a good time. The meal was good. We had fun at the pool. We didn't get too sunburned. It was 10 out of 10. We needed it. I vlogged a little bit, as you saw, but not much. I actually just washed the dress and it is air drying. I have signed myself up for a Zumba class tonight. Do I regret it? A little bit. My sister was supposed to go with me and then she changed her mind. So I'm gonna still go because I signed up for it. It's at 5:45. So I need to leave here in a few minutes. Hence why I need to put this ponytail in a bun or something. I've never done Zumba before. I don't think I have anyways. I'm gonna sit you in this little closet or cabinet where you go sometimes. Okay, I don't think that I've ever done Zumba. I've always wanted to. I think it would be really fun. But I was more gung-ho about it when my sister was gonna go with me. So you know what? I'm gonna go. And if it's hard and terrible, I will just leave, you know? It's not a big deal. So that's what I'm doing tonight. So here's the Taren before. I'm so excited for Zumba. Let's go. I guess I'm ready to talk. I had to leave early. It started at 5:45. I still can't breathe all the way. I walked out of there at 6:20. It was supposed to last until 6:40. I felt like I couldn't breathe. Like my chest was so tight. I had to puff that inhaler. I felt like I was gonna do pretty good because, you know, I work out a lot, but we do weights. We don't do cardio. Oh my gosh, how do people do that? I think I could have finished if I could have like been able to breathe properly, but like my chest was so tight, you know what I mean? Like I couldn't get like a full breath in, and then you start like freaking yourself out. So you know what, I made it, we're gonna say more than halfway through, and I feel like that's pretty good. I would have liked to make it all the way through, but only 4 people showed up to the class, which was fine. But one person that was in there would have been the 5th person. She was also an instructor, so she got up and did a little bit too. It was mainly like, overall, the main instructor was like salsa type, which was really fun. And the other girl was more like hip hop type dancing. So I really enjoyed it. I just couldn't breathe. And I don't know if it was like the room, like being stuffy. I don't know what just happened. But I couldn't get a breath in. I brought this inhaler as a joke. Not really, but as like, surely I won't need a rescue inhaler. Do you know how happy I am that I brought that thing with me? Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'll ever do that again. That was, all right, I'm gonna end the video here because I need to edit you. Because it's 6:30 on Wednesday and you're watching this tomorrow. I can't believe that. I thought I'd be better at it. You know what? Maybe I'll try it again, but that was hard. So thanks for watching this vlog. I'm glad my sister didn't come. She wouldn't have made it. You know what? Maybe she would have, but I'm going home now and I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna lay and edit you. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. Update. I know I said goodbye, but I'm editing you. I'm okay. I forget that I have exercise-induced asthma when I do like cardio because I haven't had to use my inhaler in years because like I lift weights with Carly and I never needed it. So I'm okay. I know the reason. Like I don't want people to be like scared for me. I know the reason. I do have a rescue inhaler for that reason. I just was surprised that I had to use it because again, I haven't had to use it in so long. So I'm okay. That's the reason. I know there's a reason. I do need to go to the pulmonologist and get another one because that one, I've had it for so long that it's actually expired. So I need to go get me another one. But anyway, that's all I wanted to tell you. Everything's peachy keen over here. I'm editing you. That's it. Goodbye.